Hi guys, hello. Welcome to the stream. Streaming after a long time. Yeah, actually got a copyright strike on my channel, so that's why. And the cooldown period was of 90 days, but today I accidentally came to check it and I found that the cooldown period has been reduced to like 3 weeks or so, and now I can stream. So yeah, good to have you all back. I mean, like I don't think someone's watching me, but yeah, I'm just saying, throwing things away in the air. Good to have you guys back on the stream. And let's see what we have got for today, like what we are going to do. Shit, shit. Okay, I just exposed myself. I just fucking exposed myself. Cool, cool, yeah. This is it, guys. XT. Okay, wait. Data science, yeah. And Python day 3, I guess. Yeah, day 3. Yes. Let's quickly revise it and then we can we can basically start to write a code. This is my whole JS directory, there it is. JavaScript and then index.html, style.css and script.js. So let's see what Python is. It's a programming language. It is a medium to communicate with the machine. We have different types of programming language like Python, Java, C, C++, JavaScript. We need to follow certain grammar rules like syntax. Okay. What is Python and why Python? Python is an interpreted line-by-line programming language. So basically, the interpreter, like whatever you have as a compiler, like if it is if it is like Replit or some Jupyter or ideally, so they're gonna interpret the data line by line. So firstly, they'll go to the first line and they'll capture the data from there and store it if it requires some sort of storage, and then on to the next line. That's how it works. And then Python is a case sensitive language. So yeah, uppercase is different. A word with uppercase and the other word with lowercase are different, to be simplistic. Yeah, that's a very simple definition of it. Description of it. Yeah. Python is easy to understand, is beginner friendly language. It's very similar to English. Yeah. If you know English, you almost know the Python. Just kidding. It's ironical that it is written over there that it's similar to English. It's not. I mean, there are English terminologies used in here, but there are special characters which is not in English. English doesn't include much of special characters like square braces, curly braces, and normal braces. I mean, yeah, parentheses are there, but like square braces and curly braces, I haven't seen in English. Tell me in the chat if you guys have seen that. Okay. So I'm moving on to the next point about why and what is Python. So Python is having large number of libraries, cool, where we can use Python. Data science like Skippy, sklearn, NumPy, Pandas, data visualization, Matplotlib, it's a library. Seaborn, web development. Okay, so there I must edit this. Web development. Happy and also Flash, Django. Okay, so Django is there. I don't know how to pronounce it. I guess it's Django. And if it's not, please don't make fun of me. I'm bad at pronunciations, okay? Django, right? Yeah. So game development, Pygame. Yeah, this is something I'm gonna try sooner. If our trainer just teaches us everything about Python, I don't think they're gonna teach us all these, libraries, like how to make use of them and how to develop a game, how to develop a web. What the fuck? Development it is. Okay. TensorFlow, Keras, and stuff like that. Print hello and hello world, and there's hello world comment. This is a single line comment. This is a multiple line comment. Let's do some experiment. Uh, hello YouTube. Hello YouTube. YouTube. So yeah, it's working. This is a multiple line comment. This is second line. This is third line. Hello YouTube. Also, variable. It's a container that stores different types of data. So variables are defined like this in JS. Okay, I'm not gonna confuse you guys with JS. I'll only study Python for now. So yeah, number is equal to 10. So yeah, we store number in 10 in the variable number, and then we can call it anywhere in some function. Just right now we're gonna use it with print. We are gonna print number, and that's the syntax. We use parentheses, two parentheses, and then the number, right? Yeah. Rules to write name of the variable. Okay, variables are case sensitive. Name if print name is equal to if print name, so if would be printed. You see, if has been printed over there. Variables are cases. Name is equal to Kavya, so print name, and there it is. You see Kavya. So like this name and this name, these two are different. Why? Because here you see the N in uppercase, and in this one there's no uppercase. It's just small n and a and e. That's the very reason why these both are different. This if string is stored in name variable with lower cases, and this Kavya string is stored in name variable as well, but in this we got uppercase option. That's a very basic difference. Keywords are not used as variable name. Like if is a keyword, so we can't use if as a variable. Like we can't store some string data in keyword, and if we print it, it simply throws another. You cannot start a variable name with a number, but can end with a number. Yeah, you see, you can't start with a number, but if you wanna end with a number, it's totally fine. So name two, because like if you save one person with name, then for the other person you will have to save him as name one and then name two, and that's how the sequence progresses, right? So name two Vikesh, and when we print name two, we get Vikesh as the name. We cannot use symbol or give white space between multi-word variable except underscore. If like the variable is of multi-word, word, not word, it's word. Okay, multi-word. So like if there are multiple words in a variable, like let's say sentence to death. No, no, sentence to death, perhaps. No. Hey, I won't get my stream age restricted, dude. Okay, I don't need to do that. Okay. Yeah. Sentence to life. Sentence to life. Yeah, that's fine. Today we are going to learn Python. So here we can use spaces. White spaces can be used inside double quotes, which is nothing but a string. But white space can't be used in here, like sentence of two words. Two words. This won't work. Okay, simple as that. But this one would surely work. Sentence of two words. It's working. Totally fine. This is how it goes. Watching it unfold. Down, down, diddy, down, down, diddy, down, down. Yeah, I sing good songs. I know. Like, perhaps I do, or maybe I just don't. Who knows? Data types, numeric data, text data, Boolean data. So yeah, these are three data types, and we're gonna see what they actually are. So first is numeric data types. It's integer, int positive and negative number, including zero. Okay, so integers are basically positive and negative numbers, and including zero. Zero is neither negative nor positive, so basically zero has to be there exclusively. So yeah, we exclusively included zero. Number is equal to 10. Print number, type of number, print type of number. Yeah, there you see the type function. Type function it is. I don't know. I'm not sure it is a function or what. But yeah, type. Type can be like you can call it. I don't know. But yeah, it basically what it does. If you print type and then give parenthesis and put some variable or some data inside it, it will give the data type of it as an output of whatever you put inside the parenthesis. Whatever you put inside the parenthesis, you will get the output of it as the type. Yeah. So a type gives you the data type of a variable, not just a variable, but if you put some string inside, some numeric data type, data inside, yeah, data type inside, not data type inside, but data inside. Yeah, so it's gonna give the output as string or int, whichever you print, like whichever you put inside the parenthesis, this one, the braces, normal braces. Okay, cool. Float, positive and negative decimal number. Float. Okay, so this is seems like what they don't fucking care about aesthetics, man. But I do. But I do. I'm gonna fix it. So a float, positive and negative decimal number. Number is equal to 10.5. We store 10.5 inside the variable number. Now we can carry it wherever we want. So we carried it to firstly to print so that we can get it printed, and then we placed it inside type, parenthesis of type. So now it will the type of this variable would be printed. You getting it? I hope so. Please tell me in the chat. Yeah, this team is not being so interactive. I want it to be, but I just can't make it because like I don't have viewership, right? Yeah. So second is text data type. Text data type is basically called string, as I have been saying till now. It's string. To write our string, we use single quotes or double quotes, whichever we want to. So yeah, we stored a string inside a variable, which is the string is Praveen and the variable is name, and then we can carry it wherever. We carried it inside the print, and we got it printed over here, and then we carried it to inside print, and then inside the type parenthesis of type. So now we are getting the data type of it as string. I don't know why class is there, but like I can understand. I can at least memorize that. Yeah, it comes with class, and it starts with a greater than sign and ends with a lesser than sign. Or maybe I don't know if it's necessary or not. I have no clues, to be very honest. Yeah, that's my case. Boolean data type. Okay, cool. We're gonna learn Boolean data type now, which is I guess let's say true and false. Yeah, no, true and t and f should be in capital letters. So yeah, again we call the same concept that Python is case sensitive. So these t's and f should be in capital letters. That's the condition. A again we are storing a boolean. True is a boolean inside a variable which is a, and now again we are printing it, but we are not just printing the variable. We are printing the type of that variable as we have placed a variable inside the parenthesis of type. These are the parentheses of type, and we placed it inside. So now we are getting class boolean data type basically, but I don't know why Python calls it as class, not just data type. Or maybe data type is more common, that's why we learned data type, but it's actually class. Okay, so nothing is like real. You can't say this is real and the other thing is not. Like both things can exist, right? Like class can be true and data type as well can be true, right? So yeah, both things exist. I won't judge it. Let's move on. Typecasting. To change a data from one data type to another data type, we cast the data type. And it's pretty simple, dude. Python is literally easy. Till here, it's pretty easy. Okay, so we stored again an integer inside num. Num is a variable. We printed the type of num, and we got integer. Easy peasy. And again, now we are modifying the value of num. So in this, whichever you do at the end, like whatever you define, however you define a variable in the end, as I already told you, it interprets the data line by line. So it starts with the first line and goes till the last line. So whichever, however you define the variable, defining is basically assigning some value. However you assign a value to a in the end, in the last line, in one of, okay, you, the same output you're gonna have. Okay, so what you assign initially doesn't matter. What matters is the last assignment of some value, the last way you define it, the final way you define it. It's like that. It won't create conflicts like if there's 23y is float and num, it won't create a conflict. It will simply change the value of that data of that variable. Yeah, float num. Okay. So now we converted. This is basically data type. Type coercion we call it. In JavaScript I have learned it's called type coercion. 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 Coercion, not coercion. It's not version, it's coercion. Coercion. Yeah. So you better understand it now. Num is float num, print type of num, cool. So num is now we converting num into string. And it's gonna happen, obviously it will happen. And then we print type of num, and that is nothing but a string because we converted. Eventually we converted. Eventually we converted. What's happening, guys? My stream is going properly, right? Everything is fine. Okay, there's no one in chat. I can't ask if the stream is smooth or just laggy, too much laggy. But yeah, it's smooth, I guess. Yeah, let's move on. So yeah, we basically print the type of num, and as we have assigned it the data type of string, now we are getting string as a data type, and that's done. Okay. Yeah. Now time for true. So x is a variable, and we assign a boolean as its data type. A boolean is its data type, which is the boolean is itself is true. And now we are converting the boolean data type into integer, and as we have assigned the integer data type in the end, we are gonna get integer as its data type. So we print the type of x variable which is there, which was initially boolean and then got converted into what is it, integer. Yes, integer. So class is integer. Understood? Yeah, so we moving on to the next thing. Let's go. So here number is 77.99, its float value, and then we are printing the type of num. We are getting float as the type of it, as it's 7.99. It's float basically. And then we print num, which is 7.99, 77.99, and then we convert its data type into float. So again, it's gonna be float. What the fuck is this? Okay. Okay. Sorry. Throat infection, throat infection, guys. So yeah, print the type of num. So it's float again, I guess. And this is it. And this is it. And then there was some jerk in our class, dude, and he just assigned it Tata as the value of 10.5. And I was laughing. That was hilarious. And then print type of Tata. And we are getting integer is equal to, okay, what the hell? Data is 10.5, and then we are converting data type of data into int, and it gives us an output. If we print, it's just 10. It removed that point 0.5. Why it did so? Because it was float initially. In float, decimal values are included, but integer simply eliminates all the decimal values. So that's why we are getting 10. And if we check the data type of it, it is integer. That's it. Name is equal to Alex. Now the name is equal to Alex. I don't know what she's trying to teach here, but let's try to understand. Print type of name. So yeah, it's cool, right? Here I am getting the correct data type. Okay, she doesn't know how to do it, dude. She doesn't know how to do shit. Our trainer basically, yeah, she. I call her she. So yeah, name, integer, name. Okay. So yeah, we basically converted name into integer data type. So it had thrown an error. Why? Because we can't convert uh, a name, basically some string, into integer. Like, just think of it logically. Like, can we convert a name into integer? uh, a number can be used in alphanumeric data type, and alphanumeric is basically like, you can call it string, but uh, but a string. Okay, I spoke too much now. I feel like my throat is dry. I'll drink some water, then I'll speak. Yeah, I'll have to speak, guys, because it's my stream. This is my dream, and I have some throat infection. And I swear, man, I won't ever have ice cream. There must be poems always, right? Yeah, I like poems, and I know my art of narrating a poem is not that OG, but which whatever it is, I love it. I love myself, and that makes me what I am, right? So print type of name, which is what it is going to be. Type of name, what it can be, guys. Oh yeah, we converted into integer and it didn't work, so we can't change a name into integer, a string into an integer. So it had thrown an error, and right now as well it is throwing an error, as you can see. Unexpected indentation error, data type in output. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Note: text values cannot be converted to numeric data type. Yeah, here's the note. It's basically explaining the whole thing that she narrated over here. She firstly created a variable, stored Alex string as. Let me check if I'm speaking. I just realized. Oh shit. Okay, I am speaking. I am audible. Yeah. Now that thing would have been looped. Shit. Sorry guys for looping that shit. I mean that word, not shit. Yeah, I loop shit. I like shit like music. I love music, so I loop a lot of songs. Yeah. Operators, the symbol that specify which task we need to. Okay. Operators are the symbols that specify which task we need to perform. Is it so? Yeah, that's it. Arithmetic operators, any mathematical calculation. So like arithmetic operators, we can do any mathematical calculation, right? Yeah. So x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10. We created two variables. We stored 5 in x and we stored 2 in y. And we did addition basically. And here it is print x plus y. And if you see 5 plus 2, 7. Cool. And then x minus y, 5 minus 2, it would be 3. Simple, isn't it? Then x into y, 5 into 2, it is 10. 5 2's are 10. And then x by y, which is 5 by 2, and that would be 2.5, and it's there. Then modulus, basically it throws the remainder. It gives the remainder of a division as an output. So if you divide 5 by 2, so it's gonna be 2 2's are 4, and the 4 would be placed under 5, and then 5 minus 4 1. 1 is a remainder, 2 is a quotient. So 1 is the remainder, and modulus operator always returns the remainder. So what is the remainder? 1. So we see here it is 1. It is giving 1 as an output. Okay. And now floor division, it basically represent it by two division signs, and it gives integer value only. Like if you do certain division and you don't want float value as an output, so you're gonna get the integer value of it as an output, the closest integer of it, and which is in this case 2, because 2.5 and the closest integer to it is 2. I don't think it's closest. I guess so. It just removes the decimal part of it and shows whatever integer there has been. It doesn't show the closest integer. I'm not sure if it's like that. We can experiment, can't we? Yeah, we can. So yeah, we would for sure. Okay. So yeah, print x star star y. It's exponential function, not function. It's operator, bro. Okay. Exponential. It's basically power. It's represented by double stars. And if you print x double star y, which is nothing but 5 to the power 2, which is 5 square, and 5 square is nothing but 25. And we are done with this. We are done with arithmetical calculations, any mathematical calculations which can be performed with arithmetic operators. Now let's move on to Jupyter and let's see. Uh, Here Jupyter is the local notebook. This site can be reached, so we will. Both sides can't be okay. What the? What did I just? Holy sh! Yeah, man. I suck at these. I suck at using a PC. How come did I get a PC? I wonder. Okay, what I was supposed to do? Anaconda. Anaconda Navigator. Come on, someone come to my stream. Don't make it like getting a viewer is a fucking dream. Just one viewer. It's been 25 minutes and not a single. Well, let's not just get frustrated. Let's just not get frustrated, guys. I don't know if this wallpaper would get me some copyright. Fuck me, dude. Fuck me. Like everything throws in copyright strike. I'm not even doing it to monetize my channel, dude. I'm just streaming for fun. And you guys are throwing copyright strikes over me. Like, pathetic. These companies are in a pathetic state. Like, how can they throw strikes, man? Wow. You see this? You see this? I love this, man. This is JS and CSS. Well, I don't know. It could be PHP or whatsoever, God knows. But I won't judge. But to me, it seems like HTML and CSS because all I do is HTML and CSS. I don't even do JavaScript. Yeah, I am. I am a coder, but like the beginner one, the amateur coder, amateur. It's amateur. Okay, it's not amateur. It's amateur. Amateur. Yeah. But I heard someone pronouncing it like amateur, but it's amateur. I'm an amateur coder. My pronunciations, guys. Okay, okay. So there was command prompt I saw. Command prompt is it's dope, dude. It's a dope shit. Like when you see command prompt, shit goes crazy. Look how aesthetic my stream is, but no one's coming to my channel and hitting the subscribe button and like button and trying to please me. Universe, how could you do this to me? Come on. I am more worthy than this universe. Come on, give me some viewers. Hello YouTube, please, please if you're listening, I need more viewers to like I'm doing crazy things. I'm using Anaconda Navigator. I'm gonna write Python script, and you guys aren't giving me some viewership. How come, dude? Please listen, YouTube. I need viewers, and please favor me that. And if you won't give me viewers, what would I do? What would I do eventually? Guess. Any guess? Any guess? Eventually, you know, I'm gonna end the stream because my condition is so pathetic that I cannot even stream. Okay, cool. It's been 29 minutes and no single viewer. I have been offline for a long time, so yeah, it's 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 Lauren. It's 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 like what to say? I don't know. I don't know what to say. It's reasonable, right? Yeah, it's reasonable. Okay, so let me give it a markup. Marked. Okay, mark down, dude. Why the fuck am I being like this? I every time do it like that. I say mark up, not mark down. It's mark up. Un, dos, tres. Un, dos, tres. Un, dos, tres. So what? That's gonna be trying out modulus, not modulus. Not modulus. Um, flow division. There is. Let's fucking go. So let's define certain variables. Firstly, a is equal to 60. No, no. A is equal to 90, let's say. Yeah. B is equal to 9. Yeah. B is equal to 9. And then let me think. Yeah, we are basically doing A divided by, but wait, I had to get something like, yeah, 6 9. Now we'll get decimals as well, right? We'll get decimals as well, and I will see what it gives us an output. Firstly, just normal divide, okay? A by B. Let's use print just for respecting Python. Otherwise, we don't need it. It comes without print. So it's 6. So the closest number to 7.666666667 is should be it should be um, 7. It's 8, basically 8, right? The closest integer is 8. So let's see if floor division gives closest integer, or it just removes the decimal values and prints out the integer value. Print by am I insane or what? And yes, so it basically removes the decimal values. It doesn't give the closest integer value as an output. So now my concepts are clear. I can move on to the other concepts. Comparison operator, these are basically like, this is assignment operator. So we assigned x is a variable, we assign 22 value to x, and we assign the same value to y, and then we print x is greater than y. This is going to be false. Why? So because x and y are same, so x is equal to y, and if x is equal to y, how come it's going to be greater than y, right? It won't be greater than y. So we get false. X is lesser than y, we get false. For the same reason, if x is equal to y, it can never be smaller than y. And here, here comes the tricky part. Greater than or equals to. So yeah, if we print x is either greater than or equal to y, then okay, the print reads it, okay, bro. Yes, x is greater than y. No way, no way. And then it reads, okay, there's an equal to. Okay, I can work with this. Oh yes, it's true. So it will print true as an output, and you see true over there, right? Yeah, that's how it works. Am I not being a teacher? I'm like literally teaching how to code. God. I'm insane. I'm insane. I'm insane. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Less than or equal to? Less than or equal to, man. I'll put it over there. I'll put it over there as well. Woohoo. And the same thing. It print reads that okay, x is less than y. No way. No way. And then it reads okay, it's an equal to sign as well. And I can work with this. And when it works with this, it finds it true. So when it finds it true, it outputs true. And you see it here, double equals to. Double equals to a word, double equals to equals double equals to, why are you doing this? Double equals to, okay, double double equals double equals to. So double equals to, what it does is it checks whether those values are equal or not. Single equal to is basically assignment operator. So if we put x is equal to y, either it's gonna throw error or it will change x into y. The value of x variable, basically if right now x is storing this, and if we say x is single equal to y, then whatever value y is carrying, x would carry the same value. So these are basically carriers. These are variables are like carriers. They create a space for data, and then they carry the data, and we can manipulate the data with certain ways I have mentioned earlier, and a lot of things happen over there. Yeah, so this is it. If double equals to other, we are just comparing. Either it's equal, then true, which it is, so we get true as an output. And if it's not true, then we get false. In this case, it's not false. Alright, it's not false. And here it's not equal to, x is not equal to y, which is false, so we get false. It's simple. For not equal to, the syntax is in place of that one equal to, we use that exclamation sign and then equals to and then the other variable, and we get the output. If it's true that those are not equal, those are distinct values, then we get true, and if the values are same, we get false. Easy peasy assignment operators. Here it is. Should I take a break? Like it's been half an hour. I guess it's time for a break, guys. It's been 35 minutes. Should I go for a break or I don't know. I'm afraid if I'll get some viewers as I stop talking. Like I have spoke a lot. I have spoke a lot. I have spoken a lot, dude, and no one has visited my channel. How pathetic I am. YouTube, it's so unfair. I'm telling you, it's more unfair than getting India's Got Latent bad. Okay, it's not good. Instead of taking a break, I guess I can go for journaling. I can journal my experiences. All right, guys, give me a minute. Give me a sec. Just a sec. I'm coming back. All right, I'm coming back. Just give me a sec. I'm back, guys. I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, so let's journal. I will journal for a while and then I'll go for let's say. I know I might take a nap because I'm sleepy. Yeah, I'm sleepy. So yeah, let's see. What is it that hi? Okay, yesterday I just wrote hi and disappeared. Worst form of ghost. Say hi and disappear. It's fifth month. My hands are shaking. My eyes still racing. My heart is breaking in two. I'm still changing. My friends stay patient. My mind still goes than you. Isn't that enough? Isn't that enough? I am bad at singing. singing. I know. Shivers. I know. Shivers. Down for the shivers. Oh. I'm gonna hide all that bullshit. Leave it. Just don't read that. Yeah. Don't fucking read that. Mm, I don't. I don't. Wow. Okay. So you can write Python instead of SQL. Talk to databases. That's great. Admin panel. I'm not sure what admin panel is. Yeah, I'm gonna search it. Security protects protects against common threats like SQL injection, XSS, CSRF. Scalability used by big companies like Instagram, Pinterest. Ooh, wow. They use React JS, they use Django. Like, what not do? They use everything. These big giants. Example use case. Want to build a website? Show blog post. Let's users sign up and comment. Stores everything in a database. Instead of building login, database connects and database connection. Instead of building login, database connection and web page handling from scratch. Django, I don't know how to pronounce it. Django, I guess Django, or maybe Django, I don't know. Gives you all of that out of the box. You just customize it. If you ever want to try Django, Django, Zango, Zango. I can walk you through making your first project or a simple blog or task manager. Want to try it soon or focus on core Python for a bit more first? Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. This one. Now this one sits here, whispers next to me. Now I got that devil inside. This one's made up big of me. No, fuck no, fuck this. You, you, you. Oh, Actually, if you say UU, it's UU, UU. I know. Why am I pretending like I'm some celebrity? And if I say UU, then people gonna, you know, their minds will be blown and they'll be like, whoa, great question. Don't fuck with me, dude. I know it's a basic question. Any jerk over there would know what it is, but I don't. Come on, don't be like that. It's lying to my fucking face, dude, and I know how to read a poker face. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. My chat GPT lags these days, guys. I don't know why. I have good RAM. My PC doesn't lag. Just this whole thing lags. And if I go there above it, it's all working. You see, it's all working. Over here, it's working. Over here, it's working. I can understand it. It's a visual layout. Okay, it's a visual layout. User interface of a control panel. Ah, I see. Used by website or app admins, owners, or managers to monitor and manage their system. How the fuck would I build this? Are you insane, ChatGPT? Like, I can't build this shit. Imagine this. You log into YouTube Studio or blogging platform like WordPress. What do you see? A sidebar with buttons like posts, analytics, comments, boxes showing views, likes, messages, cool, charts, graph, and stats. That's an admin dashboard. Okay, got it. Gotcha, man. And what you design with HTML CSS is just how it looks and feels. Okay, and not how it works. All right. So admin dashboard user interface I can create. Yes, I can. XD. What you can design right now? Sidebar navigation, summary card like 100 users, 25 new messages, cool. Header sidebar, header bar not sidebar with a logo or user icon, cool. Placeholder for charts, placeholder for charts. You can style a box where charts might go later. Okay, like I can design a box and give it certain layout, and then charts can be uploaded over there. You don't need JavaScript or databases yet. Just focus on layout and styling. Would you like a 6-line starter code or for a dashboard layout? Well, I'll see it later. So right now I think Python. I'm done with Python. I did a little bit of Python, and right now I don't feel like doing Python anymore. So I'm gonna learn Tailwind CSS. Cool. Yeah, okay. So let me journal it here. I'm done reading about Django, and I found it cool. I also what the I also figured what admin dashboard UI is, and it was surprising to know that I can do it too. Like you can do that too. Like Phoenix says that I can actually build that too. Now I'm gonna practice some Tailwind CSS from the what it is. I forgot, so I will just refer to my directory web dev and coding where it is Tailwind CSS. Here it is, and then self-paced course. Yeah, self-paced course. Tailwind CSS from the self-paced course. available on tail tailwinds main site. Cool. Let's go. So let me show you all what I have built so far. So yeah, first one is this. Using Tailwind CSS, I have created chit chat and I have a toggle. Yeah, I have a day night mode toggle, dark mode toggle. Yeah, so I can toggle it basically. Let's debug it. Why is it? Let's debug it, okay? I'm gonna debug it first and then I'll head to something else, whichever I'll be wishing to do. So what we are left with is assignment operators, logical operators, membership operators, sequential data type, dictionary, okay, and a whole lot of things. To be very honest, there's whole lot of things that we need to learn, but not right now. All right, not right now. I'm not in the mood of doing this bullshit. It's not bullshit. Come on. Well, I know it's not, but come on. Not my thing, I guess. Yeah, yeah. We'll work on these for sure, but not right now. We go for objects. Array, no, not objects. Yeah, this one. Projects from self-page posts, chitchat, tailwind CSS, chitchat.html, chitchat.css, go tailwind.css. That's cool. Ah, toggle dark, toggle dark. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Alright, let's see where the button is. Button is over the top. Button is over the top. Building streams, keeping it clean, I never custom. Whoa, yeah, look, my fan game zones it. They can never call me. I'ma keep my dignity no matter if I'm broke or rich. But I'm not gonna stop. So many shops, they got a custom. Out of the country a lot. Soft apart, going to customs. Building streams, keeping it clean. I never custom. Oh, I love my gun game zones up there. Biggest miss is a missile. Looking at your code, I can see that why dark mode is enabled by default. This is happening because of class equal to dark attribute added to your HTML element at the very top of your document. When you load the page, the dark class is already applied to the HTML tag, which activates dark mode immediately before based on Tailwind configuration. Okay, it's like that. To fix and have your site in light mode by default, simply remove the class dark from HTML tag. Then you toggle button The toggle button will work as expected, switching between light and dark modes when clicked rather than starting in dark mode. If you wanted to remember the user preferences across page loads, you can add some JavaScript to store their preferences in local storage. But for simply starting in light mode by default, remove the initial dark class will resolve your issue. Is it so? Is it so? Then it's pretty easy if it is like that. Boom! And if we refresh it, it's now dark, and now, woo, it's working. It's fucking working. Yes, yes, yes. We debugged it. We debugged it. Let's go. Okay, so now here's my love letter, interested to the weather. Hey, please, YouTube. I need viewers, yeah. It's been 55 fucking minutes, and you guys aren't. Now let's exploit Claude AI. Have I asked few more things about? So I should initiate another chat, right? It's huge. It's huge, right? Yeah, I'm gonna initiate a new chat. So in this chat, what I'll do is, can I add dark mode toggle button without using tail when CSS? Is it possible? Let's see. Yes, absolutely. Okay. You can absolutely add dark mode without using Tailwind CSS. I'll show you how to implement it using vanilla JavaScript and CSS. Okay, so vanilla is, I guess, is a simple implementation of toggle stack and light mode. Toggle slider before dude. Got it. Oh my fucking god. This is too much, isn't it? Okay, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. It's too much of JS, bro. It's too much of JS, bro. I ain't doing it, man. Wow, wow, wow. It's fantastic. Coca-Colastic. Coca-Colastic. It's fantastic. Coca-Colastic. Wrapped in plastic. Wrapped in plastic and make me shine. You can make a dollhouse, follow your design. Let's make a ducks out of 6 sometimes. You can call me master, I can call you mine. It's my first night out with you. Wear me white and bunny shoes. Let me be your fantasy. Play with me. I wanna be your girl. I'm gonna get a copyright for sure from Chromance. Yeah, vanilla JavaScript and vanilla HTML refer to these using these technologies in their pure standard form without any additional framework libraries or abstraction. Okay, vanilla JavaScript means using plain JavaScript as defined by ECMA script standard without relying on libraries like jQuery, React, Vue, Angular, or frameworks, for example, constant element, document, get element, by ID, my element dot text content is equal to hello world. Vanilla term HTML refers to using standard HTML without template engines, components, libraries, or frameworks that extend HTML syntax. You are just using standard HTML elements and attributes as defined by the W3C standard. Okay. Benefits of using vanilla approaches: performance, learning fundamentals, no dependencies, browser compatibility, simplicity. Cool, that's cool. Okay, I got it. I got it. Dum, dum, ba-dum, dum, dum, dum. Ooh, Asia, ooh, Asia, I'm an albatross. New file, Erin Linford, Erin Linford dot html. It's done. Okay, and now I know what must be done. Hello guys, I'm back. Yeah, okay, cool. Time to copy Tailwind CDL. Here we go. Yes, click this. Get started. Play CDN. Script. Script, yes. The script must be copied and then pasted in here. Where? Above title, right? Above title. Paste it. And it's done. And think I need certain, what is it? A CSS file for this, right? I don't need, honestly. Yeah, yeah. So, I guess it's done. Editor setup. Let's see. Alright, we'll do it later, okay? IntelliSense for VS Code. The official Tailwind CSS IntelliSense extension for Visual Studio Code enhances the Tailwind development experiences by providing users the advanced features such as autocomplete, syntax, highlighting, and line linting. What is linting? Ah, no. Chit chat I have done, and now it's time for some Aaron Linford. Time for some Aaron Linford. So I must reference from the things I have created, right? Hey, no, not desktop ENI, INI, Arrange Ford. Okay, so I have everything. I have everything. Fire spreading. So firstly, there's a box and box. What are the properties of that box? Let us check. So in this, I need two divs. In this div, I'll put this image. Let's go. This image is done, and class is now profile picture now. Now, image. Okay, it is 24. What does that mean? Let's check. H24. What does that mean? 6 RAM. Okay, 6 RAM. 24 is 6 RAM. So 24 by 6. 24 by 6 is 4. 4. Okay. So H4 is equal to 1 RAM if I'm not wrong. Yes, H4 is equal to 1 RAM. Wait, H4 is equal to 1 RAM, right? So H1 is equal to 0.25 RAM. H1 is equal to 0.25 RAM. Okay. We are learning calculations. Rounded, full. Now let's check the web version of it. We are not doing much things, okay? Right now we are not doing much things. So now here would be a div, and in this div, there's gonna be two divs, div star 2 and a button. No, actually anchor tag, I guess. Actually anchor tag, I guess. Anchor tag, yes. Hash. Message. Yeah, message, and in here there was I forgot. Product engineer, array info. Okay. Product engineer, array info. One out. There was some message on WhatsApp. Let's check. Who messaged me? Ah, some random ass people. Okay, now. And this one class flex. Let's check flex direction. What we do for flex direction. Flex direction. My spelling. I mean, spelling I know, but I type like shit. I was just, I was, mm, okay, got it. So that I ran over her body. This is always a cute apology for about this. So that it all over my body. This is always a cute apology. Uh-huh, uh-huh. कौन है वो पता ये दुश्मन कहाँ सारे लापता अभी तक कहाँ खड़ा पूरा नाम जो हाथ पर काटना कौन है वो मुझे क्या पता मेरे दुश्मन है कहाँ सारे लापता let's see how much gap there was message button now 1 RAM okay 1.25 RAM 1 is 0.25 RAM so 4 is equal to 1 RAM right cool it looks cool right yeah and boom yeah it's working right it's working fine and now what else I forgot about box shadowing like how to give box shadows and all let's refer to the old texts that's all we can do shadow lg let's see what it is okay so it's 0 on right okay 0 on right in right direction 10 bottom blur of 15 pixel spread of minus 3 pixel and rgb 000 which is black all right okay got it got it rounded pixel 0.75 from it's 12 pixel cool let's see if there are effects yes yes there are I can spot it easily and it looks a lot more better what else we gonna do bg white no bg let's no adult songs you will get copyright strike otherwise like not copyright strike but yellow dollar and you know yellow dollar is never a good thing is someone there someone watching my stream come on there must be some people in the chat and there are none come on started 30 seconds ago are you fucking kidding me like are you fucking kidding me dude? 30 seconds it's been an hour almost okay outline outline black black out black now I'll have to see makeshift brings other boys to the yard again well it's better than me if I could teach you but I have to charge just of 5 black 5 5% okay 5% transparent is it so 5% of transparency cool if it's like that it's cool chit chat and this no it hasn't been implemented yet outline black 5, then what's wrong? What is wrong with you, my friend? What is it? Outline black slash 5. It's all good, bro. See here, you can observe and clear outline. Since I was a kid, I've been legit. Oh, there's the issue. Outline. Now it's gonna work. And boom. You see the outline? There it is, the outline. And here I see some error. Can we debug it? Of course we can debug it, but like, is it necessary? Should we do it right now or maybe later? Uh, we can do it later, right? Yeah, so we would debug it later. Let's check what's now. We need padding. Okay, we need padding, so we would do padding. Firstly, let's change their colors. Oh shit, class. Okay, 500. Text tray 500. And over here, there's another class, text, pink, 600. And if we go to browser and see, it's working, right? Okay, so now we need an outline, right? We need an outline. What is it? Oh yeah, it's that. It's my basically CSS design page, external CSS I attached with it, and this is my page. It's pretty good, isn't it? Yeah, it is. I know. It has an outline too. I am not sure if it has the same outline or something different. Let's check the outline, okay? However, yeah, there's no outline. You guys didn't mention outline. Are you telling me? Okay, so I'll do the same outline black slash 10. Let's give it a 10 and try. If you go to the browser and see, it's working. It's working. I guess it's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. Rounded. 8 pixels won't work. Rounded. How much? Excel is. Let's try rounded Excel and see in the browser if it works. Well, it does. It does. It does. But we need padding. Padding of padding of 0 is 0 rem. 1 is 0.25 rem. Okay, 1 is so 4 is 1 rem. So we are gonna give a padding of 1 rem, I guess. P4, P6, how's it? 1.5 rem. Let's see if padding of 5 rem works. Oh damn no. Okay, 1 rem, maybe 60 pixels. Oh yes, We need just 4 pixels would be fine for us. And rounded, let's check units for border radius, okay? Border radius. Axis is 2 pixel, SM is 4 pixel. Is there some 20 pixel? 3 XL, okay, 3 XL is there for it. 3 XL is there for 20 pixel, right? 3 XL for 24 pixel. 2.25 XL rounded. 2.25 XL. And if we go to the browser and see, okay, I got it. I got the error. 3 XL is basically 24 pixels, and it works. It works, I guess. Why? I can't see padding from. Why the hell? I need more padding in X. 222. It's 0.5 RAM. It's 8 pixels. It's not working actually. Or is it? Is it? It is. It is working. It is working. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So we just got to do 3 pixel and that would suffice. And let's check the tailwinds page. How it appears. Yeah, I guess it's that. Mm-hmm. It's not pink actually. It's purple. It's purple text. Purple. Purple 600. Fine. Font. Font with medium. Yo. Yo. Erin Linford. Erin Linford. No, I don't think it's the right one. And it's more like font size and line height and etc. Semi bold, semi bold. Okay, semi bold it is, not bold. Yeah, 600. Yeah. Text. What is LG? It's 1.125 RAM, 18 pixels. And line height, wait. Line height, wait. Yeah, let me see. Line height, yeah, 1.75. Line height is 1.75 by 1.125. That's what I put over there. If you go to the CSS file and see, I gave the same line height. Yeah, see cal, then 1.75 and then 1.125, which is 18. 1.125 RAM is 18 pixels. Okay, text LG semi-bold. Cool. No viewers. It's been an hour and still I'm looking for viewers, guys. Or maybe I have got viewers, but I can't see. My phone was lagging. I just realized. No one's in the chat, guys. No one's in the chat. Why I'm getting mad, guys? Why I'm getting mad? You funny, ain't you? Gap, gap y. 4 is equal to 1 rem, right? 1 rem 16 pixels, which is too much. 1 gap y, 1 which is 4 pixels. Let's see if it works. Um, Somehow it did, somehow it didn't. Yeah, if we go for like 8 pixels, then no, 1 is fine. No, div. Now this div means padding. Which div should I give padding? If I give this div padding, it would apply padding from the outside, from the whole screen, right? I should give padding to this instead. Padding of 6, 24 pixels, and it works. I assure you it works. And I guess something is wrong, guys. Well, nothing is wrong. Your page is turning into perfect. Okay, okay. Product engineer, let's see. Yes, this whole should be wrapped in another div, I guess. Dude, it's too complicated to understand. I can't. Fuck this, fuck this, fuck this, fuck this. I can't understand. It's working, babe. It's working. Something else that we are missing, I guess. Yeah, no Superman. Yeah, no Superman. Intense coding as intense coding. No viewership, guys. Wow. So everything is fine, I guess. Now I just need to the greater diff where it is. Media queries these are, and I can't work with these for now. Yeah, super mega. Superstar. Oh yes, text align center is there as well. Oh, it's almost done. There's some sort of shine in this end message. Eight pixel, which is 0.5 frame. Oh shit, it's 0.25 frame, which is 4 pixel. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. Cool, right? Cool. Now, hover. Hover, on hover, what should be BG, purple, 600 BG. I guess each hover property has to be assigned individually, right? Yeah, and that makes your page responsive. No border and simple. Let's check transition properties. Okay, duration 700. Let's try this one out. Yes, 700 looks good. I want to be it to be physically significant, guys, because without it, it doesn't, it doesn't work. Active, purple 900. Not 900. 900. Is there some 800? No, I'm a supermodel. When you star me. And I guess this too is done. We have successfully created this thing with Tailwind CSS. And let's see how long have we streamed. It's been 1 hour 44 minutes, guys. Come on. No one has visited my channel. Pathetic. It's totally pathetic, bro. Now should I end the stream? Because I feel a little sleepy. I have coded for a while and now I can sleep, I guess. So it's done. And then for you are done. Okay. So now I'm closing the window and on to the next project. Let's create another project and then just stop the stream. What do you say? Let's do it, right? Let's go. Now what's next? Chit chat LLM for okay, cool. Let's check what sizes these have. 4 KB. Lol. This one 78 files, 76 KB. How the hell? Oh, these files. Okay, yeah, understood. These files would surely take this much. What do you mean? Dark mode, I don't feel like adding. Yeah, we'll do it later. We'll do it later. Cool. Cool, isn't it? Media queries I have made pretty easy with this Tailwind CSS, isn't it? Okay, so now I'm ending the stream, guys. It's been a pleasure to stream with you all. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Okay, yeah, I really enjoyed streaming today. It was fun with you. 1 hour 45 minutes. It's worth it. Bye, guys.